I got a call today about a baby raccoon stuck in a dumpster. I was going to try to catch him and put him in the kennel, but he was too nervous. Tried to offer him some water. He was really dehydrated, but he was too scared. He was too nervous. Looked at him, made sure he was healthy, no injuries.
Don't cover our eyes. You think that I can't see you?